theories should be applicable. Ideas related to the domain should be valid for the domain patterns, and ideas referring to the AI model should use technology that you can realize. You express the theory in natural language and in a formal mathematical language. If you use natural language to describe mathematical equations and expressions, you name the specific type of differential equation, for example, the domain equation or the constraint method you describe. A theory explains real-world phenomena. The theory is also informative and meaningful. It focuses on the main elements and at the same time it is accurate. A theory is a description of a formula that is not too specific. At the same time it focuses on concrete observations. The theory explains the laws of these concrete observations and uses it to predict future events. Techniques that find theoretic structures include statistics, thematic organization, semantic nets without hierarchies, and methodic structures. AI and statistics and clustering algorithms find patterns of data. You find semantic hierarchies and a methodic structure with a distributed net and a multidimensional reinforcement learning process. You express a theory in natural language or in a formal mathematical language. A theory is a set of formulas or sentences, and these formulas or sentences are true in the framework of the theory. You apply a mathematical and logical theorem by using inference rules. You use it to draw conclusions from axioms. One example is the ramified higher-order logic. By using this ramified higher-order logic, you define relations that exist on multiple levels. Theories are a part of paradigms. A paradigm is a concept, a method, or a pattern, and a paradigm shift is an important change of this paradigm. One example is the change of the expert system technique that is replaced by the creation of a domain conception that transcends logical structures and reasoning, and that is replaced by a distributed net with a multi-level reinforcement learning technique that implies reasoning techniques. And this way, reasoning becomes part of the AI technique, while the domain scientist creates a specific technique to describe the domain. Reasoning becomes a meta-theory because reasoning is part of everything, but not everything is part of reasoning. If you falsify a theory by finding a contradiction, this theory can still be useful, with an exception.